Soclean sleep apnea cleaning machine is the fastest, safest and most effective way to clean CPAP equipment. Soclean kills 99.9% of CPAP germs, bacteria and other pathogens in your mask, hose and reservoir. No disassembly, no water and no chemicals required. It is the safest, healthiest way to breathe cleaner. But, the question most people ask is, how does it work? Well, the equipment uses safe, natural, activated oxygen to thoroughly sanitize and disinfect your entire CPAP system. Just place your mask inside, close the lid and Soclean machine does the rest. The inside chamber measures 5.5 inches length by 5.5 inches width by 7.25 inches and fits multiple mask types. Most full-face masks will fit inside the chamber with the exception of a total face mask that covers the entire face. Did you know that a dirty CPAP could be making you sick? Just a drop of water left in your mask or hose can create a breeding ground for bacteria. Cleaning shouldn't be time-consuming or inconvenient. Soclean's completely automated cleaning cycle saves a lot of time by doing all the work for you. It's the world's first automated CPAP cleaner and sanitizer. It easily connects to your CPAP, Bi-PAP, PAP, or BPAP. This bundle of 2 items includes the Soclean and ResMed AirSense 10 adapter. If you own other models, please find another Soclean bundle. The machine is very easy and simple to use and sanitizes all CPAP equipment, including water in the reservoir, without removing the mask, hose or reservoir. For Soclean sleep apnea cleaning machine, click on the link in the description and many thanks for watching.